Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Frame Generator in Inventor. Click on File, New, and create a standard .im file. Click on Place and select the 2D frame file you created. Right-click and choose Place Grounded at Origin. Right-click and click OK. Click on Design tab and click on Insert Frame. Click on Yes and save the file to continue. Pick a member type from the category and member size. Click on the sketch line to place the first member. Use the middle scroll wheel to zoom in the member and pick any of the 9 white circles to locate the member. We want to place the member at the top corner in this example. Click OK and save the member. If any of the members are exactly the same, you can use the reuse function. First, click on the member that you want to reuse, then pick the sketch lines that have the same members. Click OK to close the window. Click on the View tab, then Visual Style, and pick Shaded with Edges. Go back to Design tab and click on Miter function. Click on the member that you want to have miter and the 2 members next to the member. Click OK to confirm the miter selections. Repeat the same steps to insert a new frame and reuse the frame. Click on Notch function. First, pick the member that you want to have the notch, then click on Select Frame Members. Click on the 2 frame members for the notch tool. Click OK to confirm the notch selections. Repeat the same steps to insert frame and notch the frame. After you add the frame, you can change the frame type or sizes. Click on the Change function to change the frame size. After you change the frame sizes, you'll notice the notches you created are still updated with the new member sizes. Repeat the reuse function to place other members one at a time. Right-click on the frame part file and turn off the visibility. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.